Good morning everyone, this is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. The month of August was full of volatility in all asset classes because of various reasons. And if you see the currency market momentum, dollar index moved higher by close to 2% and most of the currencies got weaker against the dollar. Argentina peso got weaker by 25% and rupee was relatively stable. It got weaker only by 0.5%. Now let us understand why rupee has outperformed as compared to other currencies. So the reason number one is FII have been investing in Indian equity market. अगर आप चार्ट देखेंगे तो you will observe that India is the only country which has received positive FII inflow. All rest countries में से पैसा बाहर गया है. Second reason is India का growth story. If you see the table, India has been the fastest growing country in April to June quarter of 2023. Check the India. Third point is India's manufacturing sector has been growing at the fastest pace across the world. अगर आप देखेंगे in the month of August, India का manufacturing PMI has come at the highest level as compared to other countries. Now let us discuss outlook for rupee. Globally, there are few challenges like dollar index is still trading above 104 kind of a level because entire market is expecting that Fed is going to continue to increase its interest rate. Second, crude oil price have increased by 15% in last 2 months. Despite global challenges, we expect Indian rupee to outperform because of following reason: stronger inflows, greater growth story, and RBI intervention at higher level. In the medium term, we expect 8280 से लेके 8310 will act as a very strong resistance for the pair, and any uptick toward those level should be used by an exporter to increase their hedge ratio, as we are expecting that a pair will gradually move towards 8220 and 82 kind of a level. For the coming week, the range will be 8240 to 82.85 kind of levels. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporters like agri exporter, chemical exporters. Thin margin exporters are facing couple of challenges. पहला challenge है commodity price have become very volatile. Second, in rupee market, forward premiums have come down because of which their business margin have drastically reduced. So it is very important that they hedge their currency risk in a prudent manner. As we are expecting the pair to gradually move towards 8240 and 8220 kind of level, we will advise all thin margin exporters to cover 80 to 100% of their exposure between 82.60 to 82.85 kind of level. If anyone wants to wait, they should keep a strict stop loss of 82.55. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporters. Thick margin exporters के लिए strategy is exactly same what we have discussed last week. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. Rupee का view क्या है? The broader view is that the currency is going to move towards 8220 kind of a level, and the upside is restricted close to 83 से लेके 8315 kind of a level. So ideal strategy for any importer is that they should wait to cover their imports near 8240 and 82.20 kind of a level. That is strategy number one. Second strategy is that they can hedge via option. Let us understand that strategy. The strategy is very simple. They can buy 82.75 ka call. If they do that, they will have to pay a premium of 28 paisa. In order to recover the premium, what we have to do, they have to sell a call of 83.25. 83.25 is a very important resistance and we are not expecting the pair to move above that. उसको sell करेंगे तो उनको premium मिलेगा. Premium will be close to 11 पैसा. Third जो चीज़ करनी है वो है sell a put at a strike price of 82.25. उसमें जो प्रीमियम मिलेगा वो 8 पैसा मिलेगा. So जो नेट पे पे ऑफ रहेगा वो 9 पैसा रहेगा. The advantage of the strategy is that if the pair moves lower, you will get a better rate as compared to the forward. And on the upside, from 82.75 से लेके 83.25, you are covered at the rate of 82.84. Technically speaking, forward के सामने 4 पैसा ज़्यादा दिया है, but the downside you will enjoy. With this, I will end my today's presentation. जय हिंद, नमस्कार, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.